The 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, electronic stability control, CD player, compass, fog lights, trip computer, UCONNECT hands-free group, brake assist, tachometer, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel, power seat, passenger vanity mirror, convertible soft top. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.